Dzień dobry Państwu! Dzień dobry! Witam Was wszystkich serdecznie z Zakopanego! Jestem tu sama, spaceruję sobie. Ale nie do końca. Przyjechaliśmy razem z Jedem na weekend. A on jest zajęty. Dzisiaj pracuje ze swoją korporacją w hotelu. A ja mam wolny czas i po prostu zdecydowałam, że zrobię dla Was taki filmik z pięknymi, naturalnymi widokami, bo wiem, że Zakopane to jest ulubione miejsce dla wielu. Jest zimową stolicą kraju i zobaczcie sobie, jak to fajne. Pogoda jest ładna, pada śnieg. Poszłam sobie do skoczni, ale skocznia dzisiaj jest zamknięta, nieczynna. Powiedziała pani mnie, że mogę kupić bilet i pójść pieszo do góry, ale pomyślałam, że to nie jest bezpieczne i zrezygnowałam na dzisiaj. Może następnym razem. Jestem zadowolona, bardzo zainspirowana z tych fajnych widoków, pięknych, takich naturalnych. Las, śnieg pada, bardzo lubię, kiedy śnieg pada. Mam takie odczucie, że już święto blisko. I to jest bardzo fajne. Pozytywny taki nastrój mam. Na razie. Cześć!
So how about this? Walking in a winter wonderland. So a week ago we were making an Independence Day video on a nice typical autumn day in Krakow. Actually even had some sun. But a week later and here it feels like winter has definitely started. So it's Friday night and even though we're in middle of November, it's reasonably busy.
It's our first snow this year.
Our first snow this year changes the mood. It definitely puts you in a winter mood.
And already Christmas mood.
Nina's thoughts have turned to Christmas already. You can't help it here. So we are staying at the same hotel, apartment Christina, that we stayed last time, which is off this main street. The main street is called Krupówki. I think everybody's familiar with Krupówki. Krupówki.
Krupówki.
Krupówki.
Krupówki.
I said it. Krupówki.
Without S.
Krupówki.
Tak,
Krupówki.
dokładnie.
Krupówki. Off the main street, Krupówki. That's about halfway down We're at the top of the street here. About halfway down the street, this is where our hotel is. It's lovely. Excited to see Zakopane in the snow. For a snowman. Kicking up some steam. So I'm hoping that it snows a little more tonight and tomorrow and really makes it a winter wonderland. It's funny how I don't know about you, but I get excited. Alright, I know it's kind of obvious, but it's now a completely different place to the one that we came to in August. Just like before, we're staying at the same place. Apart Hotel Christina, looking a little more Christmas-like. I don't think we're going to get as nice a room as we got last time.
No.
I'm sure we won't. They upgraded
I
us.
hope we will.
But it's right off, really, the main street is right there. The veal is there. But we really enjoyed staying here and we love the location, so back we are. Oh, it's blue sky, a little. But then it's a winter wonderland. Absolutely gorgeous. Yes, my love. Another group. It's buy one get one free. There's nothing says winter wonderland like some nice Latin American music. You have good. Oh, now he's going to get his dessert.
She's jealous. She's like, I don't want me. Look at her. She's like,
Hello.
where is my portion?
Champion.
She's like, where's my portion, everybody?
We're very lucky that we caught some snow in Zakopane in mid-November. Yesterday would have been perfect because it was all everywhere. Everywhere would have had the fresh coat. So we're headed towards the Funicular railway. I know. Every video you see from Zakopane shows the same things. What can I tell you? But we didn't ride the Funicular railway yet, so it's our turn. Pretty as a picture. as we like to say. So we are headed for Gubałówka. And we found a sign. It's basically you just come down the main street. I guess the people show you the way. It's a Saturday, it's the first snow, there's a lot of people. I'm thinking it's going to be a long wait. We didn't make it this far when we came in August. Gubałówka. You know, Nina and I did have plans for waking early and getting out, and
We wake up early for breakfast. We need it after breakfast.
but here we are. It's already 1 p.m. We're pretty slow at getting going. Oh dear, lots of people. But that's okay. When we came here in August, we bought some waistcoats, some booties, and we were surprised. They were not as expensive as we thought they might be in the little tourist trap here. And they're very warm. We've been making good use of them back in Krakow.
But always better is always better to compare the prices in the current.
Yes, we got ripped off on the first place we went. So just pay to shop around. Plenty to buy, for sure. Oh, I think that's the station right ahead. So how easy was that? Wow. I mean, we could show you the pictures of the cheese like everybody else shows, but you know, this is what it's all about, right? Oh, wow, Nina, there's a bit of shopping. I can do a bit of filming. Well, we didn't wait long at all. Excellent. Gubałówka. So it's probably pretty full coming down. Oh, excellent.
Siedzimy na niedzielę. No kurczę. Możesz wejść na remonty, zobaczyć co wejść. Na remonty chłopaki są. Tak, robią do 13. Zobaczysz jeden z większych grajdów. Także ja powiem... Nie no, zobaczysz, zmiany są. No, obok jest cały dom. No, jak swoje żebyś, to będzie się. No, to wejdźcie. Zobaczymy się jak się na spokojnie. Dobra, na razie, chłopaki.
I don't have to add words to this, I think. It was 24 zlotys for the return journey. Like $5. Oh, look, it's quick. It's only maybe like 5 minutes between each one. mountain we go. Is this the end or is this just a tunnel? I think it's the end.
Operacji na atlet serca. Nie wejście w ogóle w rodzaju występu.
Well, it's very efficient. Oh, much bigger line coming back.
Good, it's video.
It was a video.
It's a video, voila.
Gubałówka!
Turn around. Look at how it's beautiful. Just perfect.
Oh. Beautiful. Yeah? You can use your bag to feed him like the other guys. Well, not quite like that. Plenty of room on the terrace today if you want to come. Okay, something Sviatwa. Does that mean new? Which means
The land of lights.
the land of
Lights.
lights. So we made it to the viewing platform. For the unspoiled views.
Ah, JD.
And somewhere in there is our hotel, I guess. And when you're ready to do some riding, they got a whole bunch of bikes ready for you. It's lovely. Not quite sure what all the extra bits are for. Oh, it goes great with the colour. Okay. Привет! Hello. Some well-deserved hot tea, hot food. In a nice alpine restaurant. Something to keep us a little bit warm. Well, that was a super restaurant. I'll try and get the name of it as we go. Oh, Widoki. Beautiful. Food was reasonably priced. It was delicious. Great big cups of tea, a couple of shots, and Poviduki I think means something about a view, and it delivers. You enjoyed the restaurant, yeah? Good one. And now it's getting dark, so character is going to change a little bit. Yeah, Povidoki gets a seal of approval if you come up to the top of Gubałówka.
Hello. Hi.
Oh, hello. It's putting you in the Christmas mood already. And if you want to come and sit in the deck chairs, maybe put your bikini on or your swimming trunks so you can come and hang out. We can do some fun and games.
Next one.
Next. Oh, you know, my hand is without a glove filming this and it's freezing.
Business. Ground floor is a restaurant, restauracja.
Yeah,
Second floor is a bedroom and guest bedroom. You see how
Yeah,
I'd love to
smart.
live here.
so as I suspected, once it gets darker, the character of the place changes. You can go through the walkway. Dziękuję. Oh, look at this. Well, now, well, let me finish. Through the tunnel, oh, look, the horses you stood by. Everything has changed. I'll be careful. I've already fallen on my beep twice. Tatra Mountains. It's beautiful. Smartest idea.
Beautiful.
Whoa, whoa. Woo, va, va. Woofka. Gubałówka. Okay. We didn't wait. Look, I mean, literally, we just came here and no waiting. Perfect. So this is Apart Hotel Christina. This is the Christina Pizza restaurant. I got the vegetarian. Nina got, looks like a meat lovers.
Yeah.
Some potatoes.
And
Pretty
cover.
good.
So good weekend.
Great weekend.